Welcome students. In this video we'll be talking about the relationship between volume and surface area of a sphere. So the volume BR is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. And the surface area SR is equal to 4 pi r squared. So now let's take b prime of r, the derivative, the rate of change of the area, the rate of change of the volume of the sphere with respect to the radius using the power rule. So the 3 comes down. Okay, so now dV VR is equal to 4/3 pi times 3r squared, and that's equal to, so the 3 cancels, and we're left with 4 pi r squared which means that b prime of r is equal to 4 pi r squared, and this shows that b prime of r is equal to S of r, since they are equal to each other, and that's what we needed to show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.